Hello everyone. So have you ever locked any chat on WhatsApp? Well, I'll tell you how to lock a chat on WhatsApp on an iPhone, right? But what does that mean? So to lock a chat it means to secure a specific conversation with a password, fingerprint or face ID. So it will not be shown directly when you open your WhatsApp. It will go to another section of your WhatsApp. So how do we do it? Just go to your WhatsApp, find the chat you want to lock and just select it. Once you select it, you will get many options as you can see on the screen. Mark as unread, archive, mute, and there is lock chat. Right, so you click on lock chat. It is clearly written that keep this chat locked and hidden by clicking on continuing, right? And you will use your face ID to open this chat, right? Or read notification on this device. So once we continue, the chat will be locked and will not be visible on your screen. Just now face ID was detected, and yeah, you can't find that chat anymore because it has been logged now. So where it has gone, I'll tell you in the other video, right? So this was one way to log your chat. What is the another way? You go to the description area of the chat and you scroll it down and you see option of lock chat. You click on that circle thing. Once it is green and your face ID is detected, the chat will be logged, right? And see, again we can't find that chat again. Well, it is blurred on the screen because we have many contacts here. Rest, I'll tell you in the next video how do we actually unlock these chat, and there's more to it actually. We have a secret code which we put so to open our WhatsApp chats, right? And you can search on your search bar to see which chat uh, to see the chat, right? But you will have to have the security code or face ID detection process, right? And for your information, this locking chat feature helps you to enhance your privacy, prevent unauthorized access, organizes important conversations, protects confidential information, and reduces risk of data breach. So yeah, that's how we do it, and that's the important part of it which you should know. Locking chat feature on WhatsApp on an iPhone. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video where I'll tell you how to unlock your chat, put your secret code, and many more related things. Tada!